In this session, you will learn how to utilize Python SDK to connect Ursalink UR7 series routers to AWS IoT Core. Since Ursalink UR5 series routers don't support Python SDK, this video is available for UR7 series routers only. All Python SDKs and applications can be installed on external storage only. Here, we use micro SD card as example. Before installing the micro SD card, please remove the power supply. Turn to the left panel of UR7.5. Unscrew these two screws and take off the side cover plate. You will see the micro SD card slot. Insert the micro SD card. Then put the cover plate back and tighten the screws. Power on the router. Go to System, General, Storage. Before installing the Python SDK and application, you need to format the micro SD card. Click Format and click Format again to confirm. This will take a while. Then go to App, Python. Click Browse. Choose the Ursalink SDK file. If you don't have, please contact our support technician. Then click Install. This SDK has integrated AWS SDK and Microsoft Azure SDK together, so you don't need to install AWS SDK in the next step. The installation will take around 2 minutes to complete. Log into AWS IoT Core Dashboard. Go to Secure, Policies. Create a new policy. In the Action field, we choose the first item. The asterisk means all the other items are included. In the Resource ARN field, we fill in the asterisk again. Then select Allow and click Create. Next, go to Certificates. Create a certificate. Choose one-click certificate creation. Download the certificate and private key, and then click Activate and attach these certificates to the policy we've created. At last, go to Settings, copy the endpoint address. We will use this for next step. Here, we will run an Ursalink application to achieve the data interoperation between AWS and the serial port of Ursalink router so as to connect Ursalink router to AWS IoT Core. You can contact Ursalink support technician to get this application, or you can even develop such application by yourself. Before installation, move the certificate file and the private key file to the search folder. Then edit the configuration file, pass the endpoint address, the correct path of certificate file and private key file. Copy the topic name because we will use it later. Then save the configuration file. And compress this folder into a zip file. Go back to the web GUI of Ursalink router. Go to App, Python, Python App. Import the application package. Go to App Manager Configuration. You can see the application has been installed. Check this to enable App Manager. Click Save and Apply. Go to Python. You can see the App Manager status is running. Click View, and then the browser will open the application monitoring page. Log in with the default username and password. Click the application to view the logs. Go to AWS IoT Core Dashboard. Test. Paste the topic name of the application. Click Subscribe to Topic. Then click Publish to Topic again. Back to the log page. Refresh the page. You can see the application has received the message from AWS successfully. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. See you next time.